Deactivated by Shipt and freaking out, let's get that account back. First, take a deep breath. Deactivations can happen for various reasons, so we need to understand why it happened to you. Head to the Shipt Help Center. You can find it through the Shipt app or website. Look for the Deactivation or Account Issues section. Read through the articles carefully. Pay close attention to the deactivation policies to see if anything applies to your situation. Did you violate a policy regarding on-time delivery, order accuracy, or shopper behavior? Find your deactivation email. Shipt should have sent you an email explaining why your account was deactivated. If you can't find it, check your spam or junk folder. The email should clearly state the reason for the deactivation. Take notes on what they say. This is crucial for your appeal. Craft a polite, professional, and concise appeal email. Acknowledge the reason for deactivation and explain your perspective, if the reason is contestable. If you made a mistake, own up to it and explain what you've learned and how you'll prevent it in the future. Send your appeal to Shipt support via the email address provided in their deactivation email or on the Shipt website. Be patient, it may take a few days or even a week to get a response. Check your email regularly for updates. If your appeal is successful, congratulations! Review Shipt's policies to prevent future issues. Now get back out there and start shopping.